Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to share Apple Maps route with stops. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is open Apple Maps on one of your devices, of course Apple devices, so an iPad, iPhone or the Apple MacBook. Then when you open the app, you have it looking like this in front of you. Here as you can see, we have the search map, so you have the search bar, we have your profile, we have your favorites, where you can, of course, add some of your favorite locations, and we have the recents. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and share Apple Maps route with stops. So, first of all, enter a starting point and destination in the search bar, then tap directions. So when you tap here, you can go and click on one of these, of course. So search one of these. Then click add stops and select additional locations you want to include in your route. You can add multiple stops. Drag and drop the stops to record them according to your schedule. Then tap the share button, a square with an arrow pointing up at the bottom of the screen. Select how you want to share the route, for example, messages, mail, or other apps. This will allow you to share the detailed route with all stops included. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.